Okay, first prepare your text and image. Your text should be done in text edit, and make sure it's not on rich text. Put the format on plain text. Then you log in. Go to components, easy blog, posts, click new, blank post. Okay, first upload your image. Go to this button here, media, click, make sure it's on this post, and then go to upload, find your image, click upload. Sometimes it doesn't display, so just click out of it and then just go back, and there it is. So get out of that. Now you can create a title, and then for this text block you go back to your text edit, select your text, copy it, and then go back and paste in. Now you can put an image in this post. You go to insert block. This pops up on the right with all the block elements. Go to media, image. If you just click that first, and now it tells you where you can put the image. You can either put it here in this block, this block, this block, or this block. So let's say we want to put the image in here. You click and drag this in and release in that block. This pops up. You've already uploaded the image at the beginning, so click browse, select your image, and click the select button. And that pops that in. Then you need to create an image caption underneath. So click your text, and down at the right here it says image caption. Type in what you want, and that's that there. You need to format that text. So I've provided a custom CSS. You go to your text, find your custom CSS, and select that styling, copy, go back, and scroll down here and post in custom CSS. So that's that one. Now for your text, you need to style this as well to be put in here. So go back to find your styling, your custom, and select that one. That one, copy, and paste that in. So that's that styling done. You can highlight your subtitles and click bold, And now you need to create a post cover. Now the post cover of these images here at the beginning, just click your blog to go to the home page of the blog. Post cover is these here. So let's go back, click post cover. You've already uploaded your image. You can upload another image if you like. Let's just use the one what you've just uploaded. Click browse, make sure it's on this post, click, select, and that's that in. Just click away out of that to make that disappear. And I think that's it. But there's just one thing. There's a bug in this. Somehow it creates this last line here. There's a bug on that last line. I will show you what it is. Let's just publish this. Let's make sure everything's set up before you publish. Go to post. Make sure you're on the right author. These should be all automatic. Make sure notify subscribers is on. It should be all automatic, but I'll just switch it off for the time being because I don't want to send any out. I think that's it, and let's just publish that now. Publish. So let's see what it's done. Go to your website, and that's the new post. These latest posts is done automatically for you, so you don't need to mess around with those. So let's go in to read this now. Right, this bug, if you scroll down here, the bug is this last line. Somehow, why it does it, I do not know. But I looked at the coding, and somehow it inserts a paragraph for that, and that you don't want that. So all you have to do is just go back, put your cursor on the first line here, and just click the delete button to go back up, and then click the return carriage thing to go back down again, and that's deleted that bug. So that you just then update, click update, update, and let's have a look if it's done it. Click refresh, and that's gone. I think that's it. That's how to create a new post. So if we go back, and to get out of this, just click the back button to go to the home page of the posts. These are the list of your posts, and that's the new one there. And to get out of this, just click the button to go back to the home page of the login, and that's it.